Bronwyn and I'm here at the Valtrac stand at the Balfour Hay Day. So today, in addition to our usual range of Valtrac equipment, we're also going to be telling you more about a more affordable tractor that we've got here today, the Mahindras. So what we like about the Mahindras, it's a basic tractor. It's a very ruggedly built tractor. It's a strong tractor. For the size of tractor it is, they're fairly heavy tractors compared to the other tractors which are available in that class. And then it's an affordable tractor. So it's a tractor which we think in the long term is going to help a farmer to make money and not going to cost them money. So another advantage to the Mahindras is Mahindra is in the country themselves. So it is Mahindra South Africa that is distributing the tractors. And they've really gone to a lot of effort over the last few years to find out what the needs of the South African farmers are, not just from a product point of view, but also from an after-sales point of view. And on that side, they're offering a 5-year warranty on the tractors, which is on a small tractor just amazing to know that it's not going to cost you a lot of money to repair over the next 5 years, as well as a 3-day turnaround time if your tractor cannot be repaired within 3 days. That an alternative arrangement will be made for you to make sure that your farming operation can keep running. The two tractors we've got here today is a 6075. You can see it's got a roof kit on as well, so you don't have to be sitting in the sun. And then the 6060 two-wheel drive. There's a lot of advantages to having a two-wheel drive tractor for doing the run-around work on your farm. It's cheaper to maintain, it's cheaper to run, cheaper on tires. So there's a nice offering for them there. And then they've also got the 7590 tractors, which have been very popular so far. We've got quite a few of them running so far. And then some other smaller models as well. So we're obviously today here in Balfour with the Mahindra tractors. Next week we'll be in Paris at the Farm Space Baler Challenge. There we'll have some Mahindras being showcased again with rakes and tedders. And then on the 12th of February we've got a Farmers Day in Lichtenburg, also focusing on hay with the Mahindra tractors. We've realized this year disposable income is not something that a lot of farmers have. It's fairly tough outside, the prices aren't good, whether you're looking at anything from wieners to maize to vegetables, sugar beans. The prices are low and people don't have a lot of money. But the last thing you want to do is compromise on the quality of feed that you're giving your animals. So what we're showing here today is that you can still make really good quality feed. You can have a mower that's doing a good job, that's going to give you good regrowth, that's going to give you good cutting. You can have a rake that's going to pick up all the grass and you're not going to be filling your windrows with mycotoxins. But you can put an affordable tractor in front of it and still do a good quality job. So that's going to be kind of the theme that we want to show in the next 3 events that we've got. You don't need to break the bank, but you can still have a good quality product at the end of the day in a reliable, affordable package. So you can contact any of our Valtrac salesmen. Our Lichtenburg, Paris, Bethlehem, Pietermaritzburg and Emmansdorp branches are all authorized Mahindra dealers. Or you can contact us at our head office number and we can put you through to the correct people.